would not be everywhere. That's why he made mothers. And before she became a mother, she was a woman. Therein begins the value of women. And if you say that a mother's work is undervalued, underpaid, well, you simply cannot say that. I come from a culture wherein mother is considered the supreme being, whose words and actions direct and nurture the future and prosperity of the household. Speaking of underpaid, outside the home, women excel and spread their value in organizations and corporations with their presence. To name a few, Kiran Mazumdar Shaw, Indira Nui, and Chandra Kochar are some of the highest paid women in the world today, working for some of the biggest companies in the world. These are some of those who work tirelessly to pave the way for many other women to take in their place and also pave new roles for them and for men as well. Again, speaking of underpaid, recently in the Australian Open, in the world of sports, they declared the cash prize equally for men and women. In Toastmasters, women are valued as collaborative partners in the journey of self-excellence, of which all of us here are passionate. All I'd like to say is that resolve. Women are valued. Women are utilized. And women are here to shine. So let's embrace them. But just see who you are.